Starting a personal digital archive is both exciting and overwhelming at the same time. So to help make the process easier for you, I have put together a bunch of resources for you that I will share with you in this video. If you're trying to find reliable resources to guide you through the process of creating your own personal digital archive, in this video I will share with you my favorite books, online guides, and websites for finding reliable information on how to create a personal digital archive. For the latest tips and resources for historic preservation, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. One of the first places to start if you're just beginning to think about digital archiving is the Library of Congress's website. On their website, you can find guides on digitizing and preserving a wide variety of materials, including both digital and non-digital formats. For more information on digital archiving, you can also watch my video on digital archiving basics. You can click here to watch it, or you can see the link in the description box below this video. Several libraries have also put together online guides for you to assist you through the process of creating your own personal digital archive. Some of the libraries to check out are Purdue University and Columbia University libraries. They both have wonderful online guides that will help you through the process of personal digital archiving. For a more in-depth look at personal digital archiving, read The Complete Guide to Personal Digital Archiving by Brianna H. Marshall. The book was published in 2017 by the American Library Association, and it is available in both print and Kindle book formats. So check out these great resources if you're just beginning the process of personal digital archiving and you want to learn more and have some quick go-to resources for you along the way. Thanks for watching. Bye!